Hi everybody, my name is Felencia Christian and welcome back to my channel. On my channel we talk about, what was that? On my channel, we talk about everything. Right now, we're in the middle of Vlogmas, and I wanted to do this quick video because I've never done a video on my channel in this regard. I want to show you guys how I kind of do what I like to call my in-between styles. So like every time I blow out my hair, I wear it for like 3 weeks, and then on the 4th week, I do something called the in-between where I, keep my hair still in the blowout. I'll show you what it looks like in a second, but I'll take my blown out hair, I'll just spritz it with a little bit of water and then do like a style that I would do on my natural hair. And yeah, so I've always done that, but I've never recorded it, so I thought it'd be a good video to show y'all. And I'm only going to be using one product. So yeah, let's get to it. So here's my hair blown out. It's been blown out now for going on 4 weeks, and I used this guy on the lowest setting. And I didn't use any product on my hair when I blew my hair out. I noticed that when I do that, my hair does not revert back as quickly as it does when I do use product. I have this little waviness on the ends because I had my hair twisted for a little bit, and I just wore a big twist on my head. But today we are going to be doing a braid out. So all I'm using to style my hair today is water, of course, and some raw mango butter. So it's super easy. Literally just part your hair or section your hair off into however big of a piece you want, like how big you want your like waves to be. Spritz it with water one time, and then you're going to get a little bit of mango butter to put on there just to just to seal in the moisture, and then braid. So I'm gonna quiet now and I'm gonna show you just how I do it. Braid. I don't think you can see it all the way down, but there it is. Do one more, and then I will come back once I'm at the front. As I was doing this, my nails decided they wanted to come off. Well, not come off, but the polish decided they wanted to just come on off. So yeah, I'll just take it all off. But I'm going to oil my scalp with no oil mix. Hydrated. Alright, so I'm going to just put my scarf on like I always do. Tight underneath. I don't need to slide off. Ooh, this one is. Pull it back a little. But boom, that looks weird. But hair is covered, done. I've had this raw mango butter for a while. I'll try to link it or remember to link it in the description box below for you guys if you're interested. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry overnight and I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. I look like a ghost because I have on all black. But it's the next morning. I'm running late for work, but I'm gonna take my hair down really fast. Show y'all how my hair looks the day after. So all I put on my hair was the mango butter. So I really don't look this white in real life. How do I change the coloration? What? That's better. All I put on my hair was mango butter when I braided it. So today, I'm just gonna put a little bit of my oil mix on. Just that much. All over. I'm not trying to put too much. And I'm gonna take these bad boys down really fast because I have to be out the door like 20 minutes ago. So we're gonna time lapse this thing. All this black is not helping, but this is what my hair looks like after spritzing it once with water and using just raw mango butter. I'm gonna style it and everything, and future me is gonna insert some pictures and like video clips here so you can see exactly how it turned out, whether I liked it or not, which I feel like I will. And yeah, all that jazz. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so that you know when I post, because you never know. But I am doing Vlogmas. The time will differ. So turn on that bell, girl, and comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos that I should do. But in the meantime, anyways, I don't know what I was about to say. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.